I'm going to try and make the most delicious chicken bread you've ever tasted. Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm, fluffy bread filled with juicy, savory chicken and a blend of spices that will leave you wanting more. This recipe is a game, and I'm excited to share it with you. We've all been there, craving a comforting, flavorful meal that's also relatively simple to prepare. You want something that'll satisfy your hunger and taste, but without taking up too much of your time. That's exactly what this chicken bread recipe offers. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a weekend treat. The best part, it's surprisingly easy to make. To get started, you'll need a few simple ingredients: flour, yeast, salt, sugar, butter, chicken breast, onions, garlic, and some basic spices. Begin by mixing the dough. Combine flour, yeast, salt, sugar, and melted butter in a large bowl. Gradually add warm water and knead the mixture until it becomes smooth and elastic. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the chicken filling. Chop the onions and garlic, then saute them in a pan until they're soft and fragrant. Add diced chicken breast and cook until it's browned and cooked through. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and roll it out into a rectangle. Spread the chicken filling evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Roll the dough into a tight log and place it in a greased loaf pan. As the chicken bread bakes to perfection in the oven, the aroma that fills your kitchen will be incredible. When it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing into it. The moment you take that first bite, you'll be amazed by the flavors and textures. This recipe is a must-try for anyone looking for a delicious, comforting meal that's easy to make. Give it a shot, and I'm sure you'll be enjoying it again and again. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Share your own chicken bread creations in the comments below. I'd love to see what you've made.